Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vika Opik Azizah, student ID number 202200179. I want to presentation about seminar proposal, and the title is Teaching Listening Skills Through Podcast Listening Time on Spotify for 7th grade junior high school. Background of research. One of the skills that must be mastered in learning English is listening skills. Listening activities can be interpreted as an active process of receiving stimulus in the ear. Listening is an action that does not just happen without awareness, but must be done intentionally. DeVito 2013. Good listening allows the person to show that he or she is paying attention to the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of others, seeing the world through their eyes. Online learning is an open and distributed learning system using pedagogical tools or educational aids made possible through the internet and network-based technologies to facilitate the formation of learning process and knowledge through meaningful action and interaction. Debek and Ritland 2005. Research question. First, how is the implementation of using Spotify in teaching listening skills for junior high school? Second, how do teachers and students respond to teaching listening skills using Spotify? The third, what difficulties do teachers and students experience when implementing Spotify for teaching listening skills? Objective of research. To know the implementation of teaching listening skills using Spotify for junior high school. Second, to find out the responses from teachers and students to teaching listening skills using Spotify. The third, to find out the difficulties experienced by teachers and students when implementing Spotify to teach listening skills. Significances of the research. This research can be applied to learning activities and teaching listening skills, considering effective learning media for students. Can motivate students to increase interest in mastering listening skills. The ability of students' listening skills is increasing so that students can digest and capture information, comments, and message conveyed by English speakers properly and clearly. 4. The Spotify app is very free and convenient so that all students can access it and students will not feel bored to learn listening skills. And last, it's not only listening skills that increase, but students can increase their English vocabulary. Definition of key term. Listening. According to Ross M. 2000, in a broad sense, listening is a process of receiving what the speaker says, reflective orientation, creating meaning through imagination, involvement, and empathy or transformative orientation, constructing and representation meaning or constructive orientation, and negotiates meaning with the speaker and respond or collaborative orientation. Teaching listening. Teaching students listening skills will help students digest and capture information, message, and orders from others orally well. That way, students will be considered as a people who want to listen to other people's words, and students can increase their vocabulary. Spotify, an effective learning media for students to learn English, to learn listening is Spotify. Spotify is a digital music, podcast, and video service that gives you access to millions of Spotify music and other content from creators around the world. One useful feature for learning listening skills is podcasts. Howell and Lee, 2007, stated that one of the teaching resources available for mobile phones is audio-based learning, or MP3 players and podcasting. Literature review. Listening. The main purpose of learning this listening skill is that students can capture information, message, and comments conveyed by speakers or other people to listeners. The input listening that students get is good information, message, and comments, so the output or speaking produced by students will be good too. Listening skills are an important element but in obtaining understandable input. Hamoda 2013. Teaching listening. Listening is a channel for understandable input, and more than 50% of the time spent by students learning a foreign language is devoted to listening. Hashim 2050. Spotify. Podcasts are voice or audio recording that can be listened to by many people over the internet. The word podcast comes from the words iPod and broadcast by Rosel Aguilar, 2017. Method and design of the research. The research method used to answer the formulation of the problem in this research is mixed method explanation. Involve combining quantitative and qualitative data because to find out and obtain valid information about the implementation, response, and obstacle of teachers and students in using Spotify media in learning listening skills effectively online. Aims to teach listening skills to junior high school students. The research subjects were 7 grades of junior high school located at Madrasah Sanawiyah Pasundan Cimahi in Citerep with a total of 9 students. Conduct a survey to find out their responses about learning listening skills using Spotify media. The design used is the explanatory sequential design, and the formulation of the problem that I propose is to find out the implementation, response, and constraints of teachers and junior high school students in using Spotify media in learning listening skills. Instrument of the research, non-test. Interviews were conducted with the teachers and junior high school students in Citerep to obtain data or information on the obstacle to learning listening skills using Spotify media. Observation of junior high school students to obtain data on the use of Spotify media to learn skills. Documentation study of teachers and junior high school students to obtain data or in. Test question to determine students' ability to master listening skills. This is the test. Test question to determine students' ability to master listening skill. Listening assessment criteria, comprehension, lexical resources, grammatical range, and accuracy, pronunciation. Listening assessment score 1 to 100. Research procedure or procedures or of the research. First, formulate the problem. Second, formulate the theoretical basis and hypothesis. The third, collecting data and analyzing the quantitative data of the questionnaire. Fourth, test the hypothesis. 5, collecting data and analyzing qualitative data from interviews and observations. 6, analyzing quantitative and qualitative data. 7, formulate conclusions and suggestions. Data analysis research. Research schedule. Activities. First month is preliminary study and literature study. Problem formulation, theory, and hypothesis. The second month, data collection and quantitative data analysis. The third month, data collection and qualitative data analysis. The fourth month, data processing or analysis of quantitative and qualitative data. The 5, interpretation, conclusion, and suggesting. The sixth, the last is preparation of reports or thesis. That's all from me. I'm sorry for all the mistakes that I've made. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.